My name is Joe Pace. I'm 38 years old and I'm in the gym's cleaning group.
I'm Maria Pace. I'm 37 years old and I'm in the gym's cleaning division.
Before gyms, I worked in the city, so a lot of the day was commuting back and forth from the city, so that took up probably 2 hours of my day. And then on top of that, 9 hours in the office, so there were very long days. I jumped online, did a bit of Google research, and just really sat down with a pen and paper and thought, okay, what interests me? And what I came to realise is that a lot of the times the weekend was spent cleaning. And because I liked cleaning myself, I thought it was a good way not only to sort of leave the sort of corporate world behind, but also do something that I enjoy doing. Husband and wife doing it together, we didn't know really what to expect. Went to that first meeting, walked out. I remember walking out of that meeting, we thought, yeah, look, this is something we really want to make a go of. And at the start, when we started our business, we did the actual cleaning together. But then quite quickly, we had quite a bit of work come through, and that's where we had to start sort of separating and doing the cleaning separate.
Because you need to have leads to start off with, but also you do the self-promotion. You go hand out your flyers, your business cards. You go speak to commercial clients around your territory. There is so much you can do which makes your business grow, and if you follow those steps and you speak to your franchisor and get all that information, you follow it, it works. By the time he came home from that kind of job, he would be with her for a little bit and then she'd be down for a sleep, and then he'd be back on his laptop. So now it's a bit different. He's still on his laptop all the time, but it's our business. It's fun. Like he might be finalising invoices. We might check up on payments coming through. He's a lot happier.
There are days, obviously, I finish early. I enjoy doing, the school pickup. It's always nice when, the kids run out and they see me there. I went from sort of working behind a computer doing sort of mundane tasks, I suppose, and now I'm challenging myself. I'm getting out there, meeting new people, furthering my opportunities.
Oh, I'll tell him all the time.
That's just a woman. Make sure that's in. What have you done, darling? I can't. Do you want me to read it? You want to sit on my lap? No. Dear Dad, you are everything I want in a father. You are funny, silly, caring and helpful. I cannot live without you. Love, Monique and Christopher. How beautiful. That's very nice. Can I get a kiss and a hug? Come here. Give me a kiss and a hug. Come on. Yeah, come on. Love you.
Love you too, Dad.
I'm gonna keep this.